Here comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has two powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.